Today I'm gonna read Uncle John Loves to Ski. Uncle John loves to ski in the winter. He loves skiing on the snow. It's his favorite spot. What does he love to do in summer? He likes to ski too. How can he ski in summer? He goes water skiing. It's a lot of fun. Summer or winter or snow or water, Uncle John loves to ski. I love to ski on snow or water. It's fun. A young artist. Maddie loves drawing. She is only 5 years old, but she can draw many things. One day, her grandma says, "Maddie, can you draw me a happy puppy?" Yes, what Maddie drew. She drew a picture of her grandma sitting in a chair and holding a puppy. Of course, that was a happy puppy. That's amazing. Taking turns. Jack and Anna both want to ride the same tricycle. What should they do? "Let's take turns," says Jack. "Good idea, Jack." "You can go first," says Anna. "I'll draw rows with chalk while I wait." "All right, I'll go for a ride, and then it's your turn," says Jack. Perfect. Taking turns is the best way to have fun with friends, said I. Taking turns is what friends do.